Hey, I'm Maya Faber, and in this tutorial today I will show you how to download and use my free printable coloring pages that can also be used in Procreate. So we will start with how to download the freebies. You go to my website, mayafaber.com/freebies. And here you can see that I have one free printable coloring page for kids and one for adults. So let's select the one for kids. And here you can read a little bit more about what's included in the file. It's one JPEG file that you can print and color by hand, one Procreate file that you can use in Procreate, and one file that are just a color example if you just need some inspiration when you color. So to download the file, you write your name and your email address in these boxes and hit download your freebie. Your freebie will arrive to your inbox, and when you have it here, you just tap the image, hit download, check your little download symbol up at the top of your browser window. Click on the download symbol and click your zip file that you have downloaded. Once you have the zip file, you can just tap it and it will open up. Tap the folder, and here you can see the three different files. So there's one file that are just an example of the colors that you can use if you feel like it, some inspiration. And there's a JPEG file that you can print like this and use to color in by hand. And then there's one Procreate file. And I will just turn my screen around because we will soon open Procreate. And then tap the Procreate file. And the file should automatically open up in Procreate. So here you have your line drawing file. You can, if you want to, just color in the same layer, the line drawing layer. But if you want to be able to change your mind, a good little tip is to create a new layer, drag that below the other layer, tap the line drawing layer and tap reference. So this will be used as a reference layer, and now you can draw inside of the lines in this new layer. And then you can just start to color in. So you can either color in like that, or if you want to just color by hand inside of the lines. So let's just speed this up a bit and color in these cupcakes. Okay, so there you have your cupcakes all colored in. And I also wanted to show you the other version of my free downloadable coloring page. And that is this shapes coloring page that are smaller objects and more aimed towards adults. And you can color this in the same way as we did with cupcakes. So create a new layer, tap the line drawing layer and reference. And now you can start to color in all of the shapes in this. Okay, so that's all you need to do to be able to color these coloring pages in Procreate. If you want to use my printable coloring pages, then just print them out and color them with the drawing materials of your choice. And that's all for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Be sure to check out my freebies at mayafaber.com/freebies and download your free coloring pages. If you share your coloring pages on Instagram, feel free to tag me with Maya Faber. I would love to see what you create.